In this tutorial, we will learn how we can scale our drawings. So this is the first step what we should do always before starting taking any takeoff from any drawings in Plan Swift. So to do the scaling of drawing, the best way is just find any dimensions on a PDF. So like there are some heights given over here, and if we see there are not much dimensions given, like this one it's not clear, so we will go with this. To scale this drawings, first we have to press this button scale, then we will choose metric. In auto there are some basic givens, like if we have scale over our drawing, so you can see